Okay, so let's say we're playing Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, which should have came out with the system. This. Okay, it's not bullshit, but I'd rather have what I have.
Mario?
And I was like, yo, I didn't know. Listen. Right. Ooh. Yo, man, that's some white people shit. Kids in this one room. You wanna play? Let's play! We chase ghosts, bitch. Nyah, nyah, nyah. Alright,
it looks like a family portrait.
I'm feet a little bit. You're supposed to say yeah.
My bad. I got that shit all over.
Oh, no! Who the hell wears a shirt that small, nigga? What's that, extra medium? A lot of fuck is going on with you, man.
Bye-bye, bitch. Look. Bitch. I'ma give him that. Look at this motherfucker. Yeah, look. He's like, oh shit. That mother. And look. Yo. Look how much you looking at him. Look. Yo. He's how he was looking. Look. The fuck. Look. Or I guess in this case, look at him. Looking dead into the shit. Look. Yo! I almost forgot. Yeah! Look at this bitch. And then look at this motherfucker. It looked dead at the lens! Yes! Damn. Oh, what? Ah! Yo. Look. Oh! Just what do I do? To the left, to the left. Hold on. Yo, look. We're gonna push him off right now. Go.
How do we float through this motherfucker? What happened?
Yo! Oh my God! Go! All the way out the soul, man. What? My boy going pee-pee. Hold on. What you? Shit! Oh, baby girl, did you see that? Oh, damn. Oh, that's not a girl! And I'm gonna run away, bitch.
Why you take my gum? One more time. Do it again. Come closer to the mic. Why you take my gum? I want a new car. I want the new car. Why would you give me the car? Why would you give me the car? He's like, why? Why? Why would you give me the car? Why would you give me the car? Oh Lord! Got tears coming out my eyes.
You got some thick ass thighs, Dash. You got some thick ass thighs, Dashie. FATBITCH. I saw you touching the joint last night. Dashie, I'ma call you Fat Cheek.
Look.
The police coming.
Yo, he right on your ass. So listen.
Okay.
Great man! Yo! Is it?
Okay, so you want to...
It's letting me play!
Got it. Like she applied Maybelline to the side of her chick with a foot. Let's finish off jacking 2 dicks at one time. He's like, shout out to the dick. Shout out to the dick I just jacked off.
Yo, anybody out here need a dick?
And y'all need to get your dick jacked.
Hey, you sure there's a dick? Hey, y'all want to get some of this juicy? What?
Lose WELGHT. Please lose weight.
You're about to meet Chester right now. Look.